Alright guys, this is just going to be a quick update video. Just want to let you guys know that I am planning a computer system build here very soon in the future. Probably within this week, if the parts that I'm going to order get here. But there's a little something special about this computer in the fact that it is going to cost no more than $240. And I'm on Tiger Direct here, and it is a bundle. Now, this is not going to be an uber powerful, kill every single game it plays system. This is going to be a do what I need it to do, and upgrade it when it needs to be upgraded system. Now, what we have here, this comes with the AMD A6 5400K dual-core 3.6 GHz processor with the Radeon HD 7540D integrated graphics on this APU. The motherboard is an MSI FM2 A55ME33. I've used this same motherboard in my previous A10 5800K build that I never made a video of. Well, I did have a video of it, but I deleted my other channel because I didn't like it. It was kind of just thrown up when I first started YouTube. It also comes with 4 gigs of Patriot Viper Extreme DDR3 1600 MHz, an LG 24X SATA DVD-ROM drive. It comes with a Ultra case with a 600 watt trying to remember the name of the power supply. I think it's an Ultra power supply as well. And if you can see that, today's price $219. After eBay, it's $189. So you get the case, the RAM, the case fan, the power supply, the processor, the DVD burner, and the motherboard, all for $219 if you don't do the rebate. So I will probably have the link to this in the description of the video. If you need a system that will, and I have looked up gameplay videos of this processor, and people are running Battlefield 4 and 3 on low to medium settings. Somebody actually ran Battlefield 3 on Ultra with the res lowered. Let's see, it plays the MMOs, it'll play League of Legends, the Call of Duty games. Like, from what I've seen other videos on this APU, it's actually what made me get it, is because since this is the FM2 platform, one day, if I ever get tired of this thing, which I will, I could throw 8 gigs of 1866 megahertz memory in it and throw an AMD 6800K in it. Or I could throw an AMD A8 6600K and a Radeon 7770 in it and call it good. I mean, this system has endless upgrade possibilities, and it's only going to cost me $189. So, yeah, link will be in the description. Comment, rate, subscribe. I'll have plenty more. Just keep an eye out for updates.